action.
Hey there, problem solvers. Are you ready to tackle all those annoying problems around your home?
Gross.
Little messes. Oop, too aggressive. Frustrating routines. Let me tell you, Uggs take some patience. Minor inconveniences. Ooh, yeah.
Whoa!
Bad habits.
Can you even hear through these? My goodness.
Difficult chores.
Almost there. I can see the finish line.
And everything in between.
There we go. I'm bringing fancy today. It gives the water a channel to pour down, and that label comes right off.
Instead of living with the problem,
Solve it. Take some tomato paste, squeeze that in. It really is doing it. Night and day transformation. Look at this. Find any of those scuffs or marks and erase them away.
I'll show you my favorite tips, tricks, and time savers you're gonna love.
Came together that quickly.
Just like that, and I didn't have to dirty up anything.
Yo, the brats are already squishy.
I also like to test your hacks too.
Let's see how this goes.
I recently saw this video, and I've got to try this.
And then let it rip.
I make bite-sized shorts as well as longer tutorials and recipes.
Tuck that under, pinch closed.
We have all of our pizza rolls ready to go.
We're just gonna brush this mixture on.
There's a new video every day.
Now comes the fun part. That's what we're looking for.
11 out of 10.
Boom, breakfast is ready. Look at that shrimp perfectly cooked through.
Common problems, surprising solutions. Problem solved.
Ta-da!